In this video, I'm gonna show you how to unfavorite someone on Zangi. To unfavorite someone on Zangi, first of all, open the Zangi application on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're inside the homepage of Zangi, go ahead and tap on the Contacts button at the bottom. Inside the Contacts tab, you will be able to see the Favorites tab, from where you will need to select the person you'd like to unfavorite. Now, look for the Remove from Favorites option inside the Info section. Once you open up the Contacts from the Favorites tab, tap on Remove from Favorites, and you will then be able to remove the contact from your favorite list. The contact or chat will no longer appear in your favorites list. So that is how you can easily unfavorite a contact in Zangi. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, make sure to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more Zangi tips and tricks. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.